Let's dive into our next task, cloning an entire web page from a competitor's website. In the previous video, we explored the basic AI tools in DXPR Builder to create a web page section by section. Now, I've noticed a trend among competitor websites, having an enterprise page right in the top-level main menu. It's something I hadn't picked up on before, and since we're keen on selling enterprise subscriptions, it seems like a smart move. We haven't yet decided on the content for this page, so cloning an existing one as a template sounds appealing. The clone tool only works on empty pages. I'll type clone followed by the URL of the target page. Here's what we have: a card with the typical theming aligned with our style. Our next task is to review it closely and eliminate unnecessary elements. Here's a placeholder for a contact form that I'll be removing. We'll later replace it with a real contact form from the Drupal blog section, but that's a topic for another video. Let's see what else is here. This part looks promising. I'll keep it. The content here also seems good. Now, this section we don't need. Since DXPR doesn't offer managed hosting, I'm going to delete this part. These sections look a bit special. What do we have here? I see some stray previous next buttons, indicating there should be a slider here. Oh, wait, it is indeed a slider. Perfect. There is a DXPR carousel element here, which is what we need. We just need to remove these extra buttons. We'll add those buttons via our carousel element settings, so for now, this will do. I'll apply the same approach here. This is looking good. Everything checks out, so I'll save this progress. Next, we need to make sure the page doesn't feature any content about Webflow. I'm instructing the AI to rewrite the entire page, making it about DXPR instead, while maintaining the same structure. The AI will perform the necessary web searches to gather information about DXPR. We've got DXPR Enterprise provides marketing teams with the flexibility, security, and reliability they need to scale innovative web experiences that drive growth in the age of AI. Just perfect. So far, so good. What's unique about DXPR is that we openly publish all our pricing information, even for our enterprise tier, unlike many companies that prefer to keep it within their sales teams. We believe in transparency and have it all on our website. I want to include this on our enterprise page too. I'm asking the AI to add a section detailing DXPR enterprise pricing. You can also include any web link, using its content as context for the prompt. Let's keep this section concise. We don't need an entire story about our pricing. I'm engaging with the main controls of the page, allowing the AI to decide the best spot for this section. Alternatively, I could scroll down to the desired location, add a section, and prompt the AI to place it there. I think below the demo is a good position for the pricing section. The AI seems to have conducted a web search, likely to verify and ensure it has the correct, most up-to-date pricing information. Awesome, it looks accurate. There's a small error here. It should be 30 tickets per month for regular tickets. Priority tickets require a response within 24 hours. We don't offer 30 of those per month specifically. Other than that, everything else is correct. I'm satisfied with this progress as a checkpoint. I've saved the page, and instead of facing a blank slate unsure of how to present our enterprise services, we now have a stellar example page to refine further, saving us a significant amount of time.